In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PowerPoint presentation through Gmail using your laptop. Sending files like a PowerPoint presentation via email can sometimes feel daunting, but with a clear understanding of the process, it's actually quite straightforward. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to easily send your presentation to colleagues, friends, or clients without any hassle. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure your laptop is connected to the internet and open your preferred web browser. Navigate to Google's homepage by typing www.google.com in the address bar. Once there, locate the Sign In button, typically found in the top right corner of the page, and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your Gmail login information, which includes your email address and password. If your account uses two-factor authentication, you might also need to verify your identity through a phone number or email confirmation as part of Google's security measures. Once logged in, access Gmail by clicking on the icon made of 9 small squares, also known as the App Launcher or Google Apps. It's positioned near the top right corner next to your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, choose Gmail to open your inbox. With your Gmail interface now front and center, locate the Compose button, which is usually highlighted and found on the left-hand side of the page. Clicking this button will open a new message window, ready for you to start drafting your email. You'll see fields labeled To, Subject, and a blank section for the body text of your email. First, in the To field, enter the recipient's email address or addresses if you wish to send it to multiple people. Next, move on to the Subject field and type a concise, clear subject line that summarizes the content of your email. For instance, PowerPoint presentation for upcoming meeting. Now it's time to attach your PowerPoint file. Look for the paperclip icon at the bottom of your Compose window. This icon represents the attachment feature. Clicking on it will prompt a File Explorer window to open, allowing you to navigate your computer's directories to find your PowerPoint file. Once you locate the file, click on it and then press Open or Select, depending on your operating system. Your file will begin uploading to the email, appearing as a new attachment beneath the subject line. In the text body of your email, consider writing a brief message to provide context or any additional details about the PowerPoint, like, "Please review this presentation before our meeting next Tuesday." Once you're satisfied with the email, press the blue Send button at the bottom of the Compose window. That's it. You've successfully sent a PowerPoint presentation through Gmail using your laptop. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.